Active 55-plus boating community where you own the land. This adorable 2-bedroom, 1.5-bath home, with shower, is move-in ready and thoughtfully updated for comfort and peace of mind. Enjoy the convenience of in-unit laundry along with a newer roof, just 4 years old, a new air conditioner system, 3 years old, and updated ductwork. Fresh interior and exterior paint, updated windows, new light fixtures, and charming plantation shutters on every window provide both style and functionality, letting you enjoy abundant natural light or privacy at your discretion. Located in an exceptionally active 55-plus community where residents enjoy a vibrant social lifestyle with something for everyone. Take advantage of the community boat ramp and boat storage conveniently located across the street, offering easy access to the Estero River and the Gulf. From beach volleyball and water aerobics to crafting and social events, this community is designed